This is the first part of a structured Dansiki series. In this video, I will cover the foundation, the cutting process of dashiki wears. The remaining part, where we develop the full design and finishing, are inside my Telegram class. Welcome to Nidu Mr. channel. I am Olabanjo Isaiah. I start by measuring 21 inches on fold because I want to make a dashiki with sleeve of 20 inches. Now we have a length that is long enough for the front and back of the dashiki. Here I have a total length of 49.5 inches. Yours can be longer or shorter. I promise you, there is no rule to this. Let's put a straight line here as start point for the neck and shoulder measurement. For someone with neck width of 18 to 19 inches, marking 2.75 inches from the center front is a very good idea. Again, still from the center front, you are going to measure the natural length of your shoulder. The length of my shoulder is 9.5 inches. I am going to square down by 1.5 inches from this mark point. This is the slope for your shoulder slant. Now I am going to pull down the front until there is 4-inch difference between its length and that of the back length. Now I am going to square down by 1 inch at the neck and the shoulder slant for seam allowance. Now I'm going to bring the edge of the back piece to these mark points. This rule also applies to when cutting normal kaftan. This is to ensure that the shoulder point doesn't get pulled to the front after sewing together the shoulder. So the 1 inch required for the shoulder seam has been sacrificed here. Now I'm going to measure 2.75 inches by 3.75 inches for the neck of 19 inches. I know you want to ask me, how did I calculate this? This I got from experience, from many trial and error. And as you can see in the video, after measuring round the neck, I added 1/4 of an inch to it. This is to show you that it is purely from experience, and this measurement you can note down for neck of 19 inches. This always works perfectly. Thank you. Now from the center front, I'm going to measure for the sleeve of my dashiki. I want dashiki with sleeve of 20 inches. Measure the distance between the mark point and the center front, but this time not along the shoulder slope. Here I have 19.5 inches. This I'm going to measure at another point from the center front again to produce a vertical straight line, or horizontal as it may appear to you. What does luxury means to you in terms of size? How big do you want your dashiki to be on you? This is where taste comes in. At a point, I marked 40 inches. At another point, I marked 50 inches. I again at another point marked 14.5 inches. This is to show you that there is no rule to how big your dashiki to be. This solely depends on your discretion, on your taste. The same also applies to the wideness at the sleeve. This solely depends on what luxury means to you, how big you want it. There is no rule to it. Please remember to add ½ inch to the sleeve before cutting it. Now let's cut the two pieces that we are going to use to turn the sleeve at the hem. I want them to be at least 2.5 inches wide. First, we are going to cut for the front. Now let's cut for the back sleeve. It is very important before you iron out the gaiter at the shoulder of this back sleeve that you notch it. It's very important because this is gonna help you a lot when using these pieces. Notch also these pieces before you separate the back piece from it. Now from the notch you can easily fold it in such a way that it replicates the back piece that you separate from it. Now we are going to bring back the front piece to finish the cutting on this back piece. So guys, this is how to cut a dashiki wear. If you want to learn how to go from this basic cut to a premium finished design step by step, the class is live right now on our Telegram channel. In this class, we not only talk about how to sew, we also developed this design you're seeing on the screen from scratch, from making of its pattern. The link to join this class is in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching the tutorial to the end. If you derive any value from this video, please help me hit the like button. Click on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to the channel that you and I may see again, and also drop a comment for me in the comment section. Thank you very much.